You are getting a yearly guaranteed payout for life. Sun Life now has a new product with guaranteed yearly payout for life. Para tong salary na hindi na natatapos. Isa tong steady and reliable income year after year after year. Ibig sabihin, kahit retired ka na, may income ka pa rin. Imagine, hindi ka pa senior citizen, hindi ka pa retired, at hindi ka pa tapos magbayad, nare-receive mo na ang yearly pension mo sa plan na to. Regardless of what happens in the economy. But here's the best part, hindi forever ang pagbabayad. Kagaya ng ibang insurance plans na lifetime ang payment. Ito, saglit ka lang magbabayad and you will get its benefit for the rest of your life. Hindi lang yan, guaranteed din ang insurance coverage nito, so meron kang living benefit and meron ding para sa pamilya mo. Tuloy-tuloy ang payout nito for the rest of your life. Pwede mong gamitin sa travel, business, and sa mga life milestones mo. So after a few years, tapos na yung pagbabayad mo, pero yung commitment ni Sun Life sa'yo, forever. Kahit mawala ka, at age 100. If you want to know more about this plan, medyo curious ka paano nangyari tong plan na to, PM me and I will discuss it to you.